Hey up, now then folks, we've got a couple of characters for you tonight. We've got Bart Derrick and his Super Major, and Big Baz with his International B300 free for a plough from the 1950s.
Gonna take it for a bit of ploughing, get these moldboards shined up a bit hopefully. What do you think about going ploughing, Barry?
No, we don't want to get it muddy. No, we don't.
It's a show tractor.
It's a show tractor and that's what I bought it for.
So this Super Major was made between 1961 and 64 and isn't to be confused with a new performance Super Major which featured white wheels and white mudguard and an extra 2 horsepower which we could have done with to drag this plough through the ground. So as we'll maybe get to know, the skimmers are missing on this and so are the brackets, and also the discs are particularly great. Linkage arm is also badly bent. The other one's pretty much got an adjuster that isn't usable really, but the idea was just to clean it up.
Will it pull it 8-inch deep? We go for gold.
Maybe out of bad really, you know.
Is it bent?
Right then, Tom.
Give her it! Flat out! He's gonna have to give it some more revs!
And as you can see here, because Big Baz has cleaned up them furrows real nice, it just slides right off it, look. Is it a plough or a drag at this point?
Wheel spinning. Well, we've had some trial and error. I'm not sure whether we're getting any better or not. She was going too deep. Ooh, bit messy that. Just remember, it's our first attempt at ploughing. Just waiting for Ploughing Master Rod Beale to turn up really and show us how it's done. Sun's out, tractor's gleaming, plough's not so gleaming. He did tell me, he says get these flappy pads on it and give it a going over, and I forgot it this morning so it didn't get done. So little bit of shine, not so little shine, but it's coming up. It's come up a bit compared to what it was. Let's have a repeat at last line, nice and straight. Oh, I don't think he's going to be as straight as last one. Now let's go pull his peg out for him, or I'll get her telling off. Not as good as last one.
No, it didn't.
Not bad though.
This one for her.
Eh? What we're doing up? We're giving up Tilt Chiefs here?
He'll tell us.
I don't know what his YouTube channel's called.
Come on, Billy, tell us what we're doing wrong.
We set off and we're too deep. We're too deep.
He altered plough, didn't he?
Get it as deep as you can, get it.
Well, we're wheel spinning a bit.
Yeah. Hell, man.
I said to Tom.
Look, I know. I've said I'm in for me bollocking.
not pitted.
I was off to brighten them up at home.
Yeah.
He said, oh, don't brighten them up.
Yeah.
No,
brighten
because
them
you
up.
were going to get great big grinder,
I went,
9-inch
flappers at home.
9-inch
Yeah.
grinder on it.
Flappers would have been alright.
Yeah, of course they would.
Honestly, because that'll take some shining up with that.
They
Tom.
would there.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, look,
That
in me.
looks good though, that point looks good. Scraper.
You're just twisting it weird.
Luckily I had a sanding flappy pad in van, so I've given it a little blitz over, but I've only maybe done front end of the moldboard, just so you can see how it compares, and you can see how it compares when he pulls it out later on.
He's going in flat out. What do you think to your epic ploughing?
What a shite.
How much fun have you had?
I've had a bit of fun, yeah.
You've had a bit of fun. You've been working it. Have a look up clock then. She's maybe not a winner.
Thing is though, Tom, if you ever get credit for ploughing, I'd buy it off you just for moldboards and stuff.
Hey, it might be this year, yeah?
So here we can clearly see the difference it's made just cleaning that little bit off. So that's my top tip for big bars, is to make sure your moldboards are clean before you drop it in. If anybody else has got any top tips, please leave them in the comments below.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week. Oh dear, schoolboy error.
Faster.